Alright people, so this is what we are going to be fitting to the Carrera 4S front splitter, Maxton design. Shout out Maxton design again, and supply of the front splitter. What's going on people, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we got something a little different. We've got a Porsche Carrera 4S getting a front splitter fitted to it from Maxton Design. So large up Frazer one and also large up bro as well. So before we get into the video, I'd just like to ask you guys to remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. And also while you're there, please remember to follow us on the Spotify for any of the latest tunes you hear on my channel. So just before I get into the video, I had a little chat with Frazer one about his Carrera 4S and this is what he had to say. Tell us a bit about your car, my friend.
Well, so what is it? It's a 2010. It's on a 2010 plate, but it's a 2011 model.
Okay.
Quite well spec'd. So it's what, 3.8, 385 brake horsepower. It's got launch control, so it's got the PDK gearbox. It's basically standard, apart from a few mods that I've done. So I've changed the steering wheel for a 991.2 steering wheel, which has the multi-function steering controls on it. I had to get an adapter to talk to the car so that I could then program it so the car would know. I've changed the puddle lights and I've changed the side indicators to be sequential, so which wasn't that too bad really. Had to have a resistor in that so that it wouldn't flag up on the dash.
So the rims, they come with the car? Or?
Yep. These are standard sport classic rims.
Yeah. What size? What, 18?
So
19?
yeah, these are 19s.
Yeah.
Obviously the rears are wider on the back. The fronts are like 285s, and I think the rears are 305.
Okay. You say one of your best cars you've owned? Or?
Do you know what? I've always wanted a Porsche, but you know, it's always been out of that price reach, you know.
Yeah.
And I think what did I have? So I had the Range Rover Sport before I got this, but I think I just decided like I'm just gonna save and just get one. Yeah. And as they say, you know, try and get one with the best money you can. I mean, there are not to say that the older models. So this is a 997.2, so Gen 2, right? But the 991 is just as good. Do you know what I mean? It had its issues with the engine and stuff, but you know, you can do things to get that sorted out. Yeah. So, but they're generally good cars. I took this on the track and it performed well. Let's say, you know, the car was driving me, to be honest. I tried it in tried the paddles and stuff, but that gearbox is just ruthless. It's so quick.
You say it's a PDK?
Yeah, PDK double clutch. So like it's so quick.
Yeah.
The changing is so quick. I couldn't keep up with it. Obviously, it's something I need to get used to, but I just left it and let it do its thing, and it's done its thing on the track. In this, it's got because it's got the Sport Plus and stuff. You've got the chrono pack, so it's got the little chronograph on the dash.
Yeah.
It comes with like a special mode, so when you turn that chronograph on, and as you drive around the track, it will start to map out the track.
Oh, sick. Yeah.
And then it gives you certain bits of information as well. It draws a track on the screen and stuff, and you can do your lap times and stuff. And it will also tell you, based on your driving, how much fuel you're going to have left or how much laps you can do based on your driving.
Pretty impressive, yeah.
So yeah, not that you can look at it when you're driving that quick anyway, but it was quite interesting to use anyway. Because sometimes you get these cars, you don't even use it for what they can do.
Yeah, it's true, yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Alright, Mr. Frazer one, thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers. So this is what we are going to be fitting to the Carrera front splitter, Maxton design. Shout out Maxton design again, and supply of the front splitter. Link will be in the description as well for this front splitter. As you can see, everything's been put back together as it should be. So before I reveal it to you lot, I want to ask you lot to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, comment, and all of that good stuff. Let's get straight back to the video and get into this reveal. Maxton design front splitter fitted to the Porsche Carrera 4S. It looks absolutely spot on. I personally think the car needed it to just finish the look of it. But that's my opinion. Let me know what your opinions are in the comment. Also shout out Frazer1, shout out bro as well. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. And also as well, you might want to follow us on Spotify, PUDGE Productions. But yeah, so that's it for this video guys. We'll catch you up on the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, thanks for watching.